Let's have a quick look at the top 10 Flutter and Dart packages from March 14 to 20. By the way, this video format is now also available as an email newsletter. Subscribe at follow.syntacops.com to receive a compact overview of the latest Flutter packages in text form once a week. Number 10 is called Window Manager Web, a web implementation of the Window Manager plugin which allows Flutter desktop apps to resize and reposition the window. Number 9 is called Intrinsic Dimension, a widget that offers the width and height and the start offset of the widget you return from a builder callback function. Number 8 is called Flutter Unity Widget Web, providing a Flutter Unity widget for embedding Unity in Flutter web apps. Number 7 is called Multiple Search Selection, a highly customizable multiple selection widget with search functionality. Number 6 is called Flutter Inset Box Shadow. This package extends box shadow and box decoration to support the inset property. Flutter currently does not support the inset property for shadows, and this type of shadow is, for example, used in new morphism. Number 5 is called Protocol Handler. This plugin allows Flutter desktop apps to register and handle custom protocols. Number 4 is called Innovator Design System, a package that contains the core UI components of the Innovator Design System, which is linked in the documentation. Number 3 is called Time Duration Picker, a time picker for paired consecutive tasks. This lets you specify the icons of each of your actions and callbacks when the user rotates each icon. Number 2 is called Internet Pop-up, a package for pop-up messages when there is no internet connection. Write one line to initialize a pop-up when the connection is turned off or the device is connected but has no internet. And last but not least, the number 1 of release week 11, the package Etch, a simplified declarative way to use Custom Painter in Flutter. If you enjoyed this video and want to support me and my channel, please like, share and subscribe. To receive a weekly written summary, subscribe to my email newsletter at follow.syntacops.com. Also make sure to support the developers of those awesome packages by hitting the like button on the documentation page. Those were the top 10 of the week. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great week and see you soon.